Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials now, not later. Have your photo ID, insurance card, and the lab order or confirmation number in hand. This speeds verification. Once done, complete any online forms or pre-check-in prompts through the email, link, or portal because it prevents delays at the desk. Make sure your clothing gives access to your arm, sleeves rolled to the elbow, and avoid bracelets. This small step makes sample collection quick and clean for both you and the phlebotomist. You approach the reception desk and state your name and date of birth clearly. Hand over your ID and the order number so staff can pull your file. Once they locate your record, verify the listed tests match your provider's request because differences can require a quick correction. If fasting or timing mattered, remind them, otherwise, accept the wait token or seat number. Expect a short wait, often 10 to 30 minutes, and use that time to review any remaining consent prompts or forms. You'll be called for collection. Sit comfortably and follow the phlebotomist's instructions. Make a fist when asked and relax your arm during the draw. This reduces bruising and speeds collection. Before you leave, confirm that specimen labels match your name and DOB, and collect any paperwork or receipt with tracking info so you can follow results. If something goes wrong paperwork, excess bleeding, or missing tests, ask for a supervisor. Note the time and details, and get a clear plan for correction before you exit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.